event with the Crypto Wheels and Alutex event exclusive here in the Philippines. How many of you guys here are excited? Can you give me a raise of applause? Alright. A huge round of applause for Velocity!
Remember, bakit tayo nagpunta ng crypto kung gusto lang din natin o kontrolin yung pera natin? They might as well, diba? Huwag mo tayo mag-crypto. Make sense? Yeah, because we started cryptocurrency for the decentralization.
Been researching for that long time, so Goldex find you a very a very potential, and also seeing you as a mentor.
Ngày hôm nay thì tôi muốn chia sẻ với các bạn những nền tảng mà ở đó người dùng, người giới thiệu, tức là những người sale bán hàng của bạn
Ito naman, yung relation sa topic ko ngayon, DeFi, mas marami mag-enjoy, mas marami makakakuha ng benefits ng ating mga financial services. Kaya, start
technical things that go with Goldex. We must separate even Georgia 100 USD trading. So that means that Goldex.
Kita natin na tayo dito sa community that we are really growing. And as a community leader, it's really important to have a partner. It's really hard